Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Bang on Theory. So friends, in this video we are going to see some more questions on Python programming language MCQ. So firstly, watch the video completely. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and I hope this video is gonna really helpful to you. And in this video we are going to cover some more important topics relatable that are relatable to the Python programming. And let's start the video. So firstly we have a question, that is which is the correct operator of power x to the power y. So options are given different. We can see a is here, b is, and c and d is none of the mentioned. So we can easily say that the answer is x, like this, x asterisk asterisk y. That is the right for this particular operator. And then we have a question which is which one of these is a floor division. So if we are talking about floor division, so we are using this for this, and the answer is option b. So when both the operands are and operands are integer, then Python chop out for fractional parts. So we can see the example as well. So here for 5 divided by 2, that we get is equal to 2.5, but both the operands are integer. As we can see that 5 and 2 both are the integer values. So the answer of this particular problem is in Python is, that is 2, to get the floor value. Now what is the order of precedence in Python? Here we are talking about the order precedence. So order, here we can see this: firstly parenthesis, then exponential, then multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So we have to rearrange in the order of precedence. So answer is option A, that is firstly we have parenthesis, then we have exponential, thirdly we have multiplication, then division, after that addition, and then subtraction. Because here is a board for order of precedence, just remember this PEMDAS, or similar to BODMAS. In Python that is PEMDAS, and in other language we have BODMAS rule, that we can say. Now the question is, what is the answer to the expression here? Expression is given that 22 mod 3. So answer of this question is answer B, that is 1, because modulus operator gives the remainder. So 22 mod 3 gives the remainder of, that is 1. Now the question, mathematical operation that can be performed on a string. So is it true or false? Means in Python we are eligible to perform mathematical operation over the string. Is it true? So answer is false, because you can't perform mathematical operation over these strings. Now question is, operators with the same precedence are evaluated in which manner? So here we have to define the manner, like right to left, left to right, or which directions or which manner. So answer is left to right. Now the question is, what is the output of the expression? Here we have a expression given over here, and then we have to decide which what is the exact output of that particular expression. So options are 27, 9, 3 and 1. So answer of this question is very much clear, that is option C, 3, because if we see the first expression, we solve the 1 asterisk asterisk 3, because exponential has the higher precedence than the multiplication. So firstly we are solving the exponential, then multiplication. So answer of this question is 3. Now the question is, which of the following has the same precedence level? So as we can see in previous examples, so addition and subtraction, these are the two that have the same precedence level in Python programming language. And multiplication and division are having the same precedence level. Now the question, the expression int x implies that variable x is converted to integer. It is true or false? Because here we can see in the expression that integer x. So it is true, because variable x is converted to integer. Now the question is, which of the following is the highest precedence in the expression? So if we are talking about the highest precedence, so parenthesis having the highest precedence. Now the question that we have, which of these is not a core data type? So we are discussing about the core data types. So list, dictionary, tuple and class. Here we have list is a core data type, and dictionary and tuple as well. So answer of this question is very much clear, that is class, because class is a user defined data type, because in that we are defining different names as per the need. So that is not a core data type. Now the question is, Given a function that does not return any value, what value will thrown by the default when executed in the shell? So integer value, boolean value, void, and none. So answer is none, because Python shell throws a none type object back. Now the question, what will be the output of the Python code? Here we have a Python code that is a string type hello and string colon 2. So it will print he lo, option C is here and option D is there. The answer is option A, he. That is, we are printing only the first 2 byte of the string, and hence answer is he. That is he, first 2 bytes, first and second. So now the question, next question that we have, which of the following will run out without error? So round 45.8 rounds this value, round there, round this, and round this value. So answer of this question is very clear, as we can see, option A, round value of 45.8, that is execute help round in the shell to get detail of the parameter that are passed into the round function. Now the question is, what is the return type of function id? Here is suppose we have a function id in a program or code, and what is the return type of that? So integer is the return type for that. Now in Python we do not specify type, it is directly interpreted by the compiler. So consider the following operation to be performed. So x is equal to 13, here we have to put the operation and 2. So what would be the very similar or very exact operation here we can elect? So we can see clearly that A can't be chosen, B and C also can't be chosen. So answer A can be chosen, B and C also can be chosen. So we can't predict exactly, but we can use all of them. So answer is all of the mention, because in explanation we get to know that this is an integer operation in Python 3.0, and int dot that is a typecast operator. So now question is, what error occurs when you execute the following Python code snippet? So here we have apple equal to mango. So it will cause any error or not? So yes, syntax error, name error, value error, type error. So which kind of error it will produce? So it will produce the name error, because mango is not defined, hence name error. Mango is not defined here, so that is error of name type, name error. Now the question, what will be the output of the Python code snippet? So here we have a Python code that is defined. Example A is equal to a plus 2. Here 2 is a string type. A is equal to a multiplied by 2, return a, example hello. So it will cause what? So here we can easily see that there is a indentation error because of this. There is an indentation error. Now the next question, what data type the object below? Here we have L is equal to, here we some values, so it is, we can say clearly, a list data type. Now in order to store value in terms of key and value, we use what core data types to store values? So easily we can say, to store any value or data, so we can use dictionary data type, because dictionary store the value in item of key and values. Both key and values are stored in dictionary. Now what is the average value of the following Python snippet? So we have grade 1 is equal to 18, grade 2 is 19, average is equal to grade 1 plus grade 2 by 2. It is a simple formulation of average, and then we will get 85.0. Why? Because cause a decimal value of 0 to appear as a output, because we can put over 0, not 1, not like this. So 85.0 is the right answer. Now what is the return value of trunc function? Here we have a function trunc, so it will provide integer value. Now what is the output of print 0.1 plus 0.2 equals to 0.3? So it is true or false? So it will give you the false output, because here we are adding, it is not equal to this, because neither of 0.1, 0.2 and 0.3 can be represented accurately in the binary. The round of error from 0.1 and 0.2 accumulate and hence there is a difference, that is 5.5511 E minus 17 between 0.1 plus 0.2 and 0.3. Here is a conceptual thing, we have to be very much clear about this. So now which of the following is not a complex number? So k is equal to 2 plus 3l, that is not a complex number. Now question, what is the type of int in f, that is integer to float, float to integer conversion? So boolean, integer, float, and complex. So answer is float, that is in f. Infinity is a special case of floating point number. Infinity is a special case that we have. It can be obtained by float in f, that is infinity. Now what does this evaluate to? So it will give you the equivalent to minus of x plus 1. So minus of x plus 1, that is minus of 4 plus 1, that is 5, minus 5. Now what does that this evaluate to do? So similarly, x is equivalent to minus of x plus 1, so we will get the output plus 5. Now which of the following is incorrect? So we have to define which one is incorrect. So we can easily see that there is a numeric plus alphabet, and in that as well, in that there is only numeric value, and here we have 03964. That is the right answer, because number starting with 0 are octal number, but 9 is not allowed in octal number. So we get to know better. Now what is the result of comp 3, 1? So it will provide answer, that is 1, because comparison x, y written if x is greater than y is equal 0, if x is equal to y, and minus if x is less than y. So 3 is greater than 1. It is true or false? It is true, so it will provide the 1 answer. Now the value of expression, here we have an expression given and it is also the same, so it is true or false? That is true. Or now the question is, what will the value of the Python expression? There we have a Python expression 4 plus 3 mod 5, so it will produce 7, because here we have to very much clear about the order of precedence operators. So after knowing that concept, we can solve these kind of problem within seconds. So now the question, which of the following operator has its associativity from left right to left? So double asterisk is having the that associativity, that is right to left. So now the question, which of the following is the truncate division operator? So that is the major one that we use for truncate division operator, that is option C. So here is the right answer of that question. Now what will be the output of the Python expression? Here we have an expression and like this, and what will the output? So output is 1.0, because the result of the shown above is 1.0, because print round of digit, we are rounding off digits and then we are printing the output. So it is 1, because 2.0 plus 2.0 is 4 and we are dividing with this, so round of value is 1.0. Now which of the following is a list of operator has a highest precedence? In that, which one is having the highest precedence? So we can easily see that double asterisk, that is having the power exponential, that is having the highest precedence. If we have parenthesis, then parenthesis having the highest, but in this case there is power, that is having the exponential, that is having the highest precedence. Now which of the following expression is an example of type conversion? Because here we can see float is here we are converting integer type to float, that is a type conversion example. So here is the right answer. Now which of the following expression result in an error? So which one cause an error? So option D is the right, that is cause an error in that expression. So what will be the output of the Python code? Here we have x is equal to 1 or x here 2. So what will the output? So answer is option D, that is 4, because the binary form of 1 is 0001 and the expression x implies 2. We are performing bitwise left shift on x, so it will provide 0100. So it will the output of it will a decimal code of 4, binary of 4. So now what will the output of Python expression integer 1011, that is 8421. So it is 1011. Now it is not possible for the 2's complement value to be equal to original value in case of, it is true or false? So answer is false. Now 1's complement, here we have a 1's complement of this binary code is So simply in 1's complement we are replacing 1 with 0 and zeros with 1. So answer is 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 is the right answer of this question. Very much clear. And what will be the output of the following Python code? That is x is equal to high print 05d mod x. So it will cause an error. Why? So the code snippet shown above result an error because of the above formatting option works only if x is a number. If we have x is a number, here we have a string type. If it is a number, then it will perform that operation, but here we have a string type, so that will throw an error. What in the output of is x is equal to 456, so it will provide 456. Here it is not causing any kind of error. In the previous one it was a string type, that why it is causing any problem, but now here it is as it is. Now the question is, which of the formatting option can be used in order to add n blank spaces? So answer is option D, that is here. Now here we have a list type hello first 00, that is Python code. So now the answer is first is equal to h and third is equal to l is the right answer. Here we have. Now the formatting method represent the dash dash justified in the 10 character white field. So answer is second and left. Now the question, what will be the output of the Python code? So here we have the dash parenthesis side parenthesis 1 parenthesis 2 dot format bright off live. So it will cause error. Why? The code shown in our result an error because we have switched from automatic field numbering to manual field numbering, that is from parenthesis to parenthesis with index value 1. So it will cause an error. Now the output for the function, so question is, in the following Python code which function is the decorators? So here we have a function define mkx and define mk1 and print decorated x function. Now return. So which one is having a decorator? So mk is having that, the mk is the function that is having the decorator. The function which is getting decorated is mk2. The return function is given in the name p. So here we have a return function that is decorated mk2 and the function that we have decorator, that is mk. So thank you guys, thanks for watching. That is from my side, and in next video we are going for cover some more topics and more conceptual things in Python programming MCQ series. So please subscribe our channel and stay connected. Thank you so much.
So thanks for watching. Please support our channel, join and follow us.